Crisp on the outside, soft inside, today's recipe is a layered stuffed Rava Suji Sandwich Pakoda. Welcome to Whada Gravy. If you like my videos, do subscribe. To prepare the Suji or Rava Sandwich Pakoda, to a bowl, add 400 grams of Rava. One measurement of this is 200 grams. Use the smaller sized, finer quality Rava, that is Chiroti Rava Suji. This Suji is not roasted. To this, add half a teaspoon of salt and 1/4 teaspoon of sugar. Mix well. Add 1 cup of yogurt. Mix. Take 1 cup of water. Add half a cup first. Mix. And then add the other half. Mix well. The batter should be of dropping consistency. Close with the lid and set aside for 10 to 15 minutes. While the rava is getting soaked, to prepare the red chutney or garlic chutney, to a bowl, add 15 to 16 badgi or Kashmiri red chilies. Add hot water and soak for 30 minutes. These chilies give a bright red color to the chutney and are less spicy. To prepare the sandwich, add water to a steamer. Switch on the stove and allow the water to boil. Grease a square dish with oil. The rava has soaked for 15 minutes. The batter has become slightly thick now. To prepare the first layer of sandwich, remove 4 small ladles of batter. To this, add half a teaspoon of oil and 1.25 grams of Eno fruit salt. Add some water to activate it and mix well. You can see that the batter has become nice and frothy now. It is better to first prepare the vessel for steaming and always add Eno just before steaming, so that way the layers will be soft and fluffy. Add the batter to the greased square dish. Make sure it is spread evenly. Place it in the steamer and steam for 7 to 8 minutes. While it is getting steamed, to prepare the red chutney, add the soaked red chilies to a mixer jar. Add 20 pods of garlic. Add half a teaspoon of salt, a little bit of the water used for soaking. Close and grind to a fine paste. After 7 minutes, the first layer of the Suji Rava sandwich is well cooked. Apply a layer of the red chutney over this. Prepare the second layer similarly by removing some portion of the Suji batter and adding Eno. Pour this layer on top of the chutney. Steam for 7 more minutes. Once the second layer is also cooked, apply green chutney over this layer. If you're interested in the preparation of green chutney, you can find the link for the same in the description box below. Now prepare the third layer of Suji, similar to the other 2 layers, and pour on top. Steam. After 7 to 8 minutes, remove and set it aside. Allow it to cool. Once it cools, release the edges and turn it upside down. Now the spicy and tangy chutney layered rava sandwich is ready. If you do not want to fry it, you can have it as such with the regular sandwich fillings, or you can also toast it and have it. You can take it as a packed breakfast or lunch as it stays soft even after it cools down. To make the Suji Rava Sandwich Pakoda, cut the sandwich into 4 equal triangles. If you do not want any stuffings, you can dip the triangles in the pakoda batter and fry as such. One stuffing is going to be with potatoes. Boil, peel, and cut the potato lengthwise into pieces of medium thickness. Cut the sandwich horizontally. Place the sliced potato pieces. Sprinkle salt and black pepper. Close and set aside. The second stuffing is paneer or cottage cheese. Take a triangular paneer block, cut it horizontally into triangular slices of even size thickness. Cut the sandwich. Place the paneer on the cut portion. Sprinkle salt and black pepper. Close and set aside. You can use any fillings of your choice. To prepare the batter for the pakoda, to a bowl, add 1.5 cups of basin flour. Add half a teaspoon of salt, 1/8 teaspoon turmeric powder, and mix well. Add 2 tablespoons of washed and chopped coriander leaves. Add water little by little and mix to a smooth consistency. Keep checking the consistency. Add more water if required. The consistency should be neither too thick nor too thin. To prepare the sandwich pakodas, heat a frying pan. Add any cold-pressed oil. Just before frying, add 1/4 teaspoon of cooking soda and 1 teaspoon of the hot oil to the batter. Mix well. This will ensure that the pakodas are crisp and fluffy. Dip the stuffed rava sandwich slices in the batter. Make sure that it is evenly coated on all sides and fry on a slow-medium flame. Once one side is done, flip to the other side. Remove when both sides are done. Similarly, fry the remaining sandwiches too. Here we have a crisp on the outside, soft inside, piping hot sandwich pakodas ready. I have cut a few sandwich pakodas into 2. You can see the chutney layer with the different stuffings inside. Enjoy these spicy, tangy, paneer and aloo stuffed Suji chutney sandwiches with any accompaniment of your choice. Hope you enjoyed watching this video. Let me know your feedback in the comment section below. Join me on Tuesday for another interesting recipe.